How to change the cover photo on Facebook without posting. Here's how. To start, launch the Facebook app on your device. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top of the screen. In your profile page, click on your current cover photo at the top of your profile. From the menu that appears, select Upload Photo. Here, choose the photo you want to upload as your cover photo. Once you have selected the photo you want, hit the Save button at the top right corner. After the upload is completed, scroll down a bit to locate your newly updated cover photo. It will now appear on your profile, but don't worry, it's not yet visible to your followers. Now click on the three horizontal dots at the top right corner. Now select Hide from Profile. A confirmation message will appear. Hit Confirm. This action ensures that the cover photo update doesn't appear in your feed. So this is how to change the cover photo on Facebook without posting.